What if I told you your imagination isn't something you use? It's something that is constantly creating your reality, whether you realize it or not. And the reason most people don't manifest what they want is because they're imagining from the wrong frequency. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how imagination rewrites reality using both science and powerful insights from spirituality. So you can start using imagination for manifestation in a way that actually works. Most people think imagination is just daydreaming, something optional, something childish. But imagination for manifestation is actually one of the most powerful tools you have. Because every reality you experience starts as one internal image first. And if you don't consciously direct that image, your subconscious mind will keep replaying the same patterns over and over again. So let's break down what's really happening. Here's the key idea. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between a real image and a vividly imagined one. Well, as a matter of fact, studies of visualization techniques show that when you imagine something clearly, three things happen. The same neural pathways activate, the same emotional responses are triggered, and the experience starts to feel familiar. And then, what does this mean? This actually matters. It matters because your subconscious mind operates based on what feels familiar to you, not what's objectively true. So, when you repeatedly use imagination for manifestation, essentially you're training your mind to accept a new version of reality as normal. And once something feels normal, well, your behavior, your decisions, and even what you notice in the world starts shifting. That's how imagination begins to rewrite reality from the inside out. But imagination alone isn't enough. You have to match the frequency of the reality you want. What does that mean? It means you cannot just imagine something while feeling doubt, lack, or frustration, because your state of being is what determines your frequency. So, in other words, if you're imagining abundance but feeling scarcity, you send mixed signals. On the other hand, when you use imagination for manifestation and you feel the emotion of already having it, imagine the wish fulfilled, that's when things start aligning. Take a look at this. Look at what Bashar has to say.
I would love to own my own home.
Oh, you go right ahead then.
Now, in a secret,
Yes.
it would seem, to my understanding,
Yes.
that what one should do is focus on the exact perfect home for me.
Yes.
Now,
This functions as a template because you see, again, it's a permission slip. The home may or may not look exactly like you imagine it. But whatever in your mind, whatever in your visualization is the ideal representation, the ideal permission slip, will resonate with your preferred vibration. And then the higher self will bring you the idea that actually is representative of your true high frequency, even if it's a little bit different than what your physical mind was capable of imagining.
So in this video, basically, Bashar reinforced what we've been talking about to emphasize this idea. You don't get what you want. You actually get what you are vibrational alignment with. So imagination becomes powerful when it's not just visual, but emotional. Feel it with all your senses. So you're not just seeing the reality. You are being the version of you who already lives it. And please don't forget to keep yourself open to the possibilities. Keep it open to the universe, for the universe to surprise you. But here is where most people get stuck. They try imagination for manifestation, but they do it from a place of, I don't have this yet. And that subtle feeling, you know what I mean? It reinforces the absence of what they want. Is that you? Hopefully it's not. So instead of shifting reality, they keep recreating the same one, the same patterns, the same thing. Another common mistake is inconsistency. They imagine something once, maybe twice, and then they go back to their default thoughts the rest of the day.
The moment you decide to make a different choice, I don't care what habit or what belief or what emotion you want to change, the moment you say, I'm not going to complain, I'm not going to judge, I'm not going to make excuses, not going to feel sorry for myself, 5% of the conscious mind, yeah, let's go. 95% says, it'll last 10 minutes. We just need a little traffic, we just need a little scrolling, whatever. He'll just default right back to that character again.
Your subconscious mind learns through repetition. So if you spend 5 minutes imagining your dream life, but 10 hours worrying, doubting, or replaying old stories, guess which one wins? Well, that's unavoidable. And this is why imagination has to become a daily practice. Let's make this practical. Here is a simple way to start using imagination for manifestation effectively. Step number 1, get clear on one desire. Not 10 things, just one. Let's start with just one. And then we go to step number 2. Close your eyes and imagine a scene. Not the whole journey, just one moment, one single moment that implies it's already real. For instance, you want to have a beautiful, spacious home, a spacious house by the lake. So imagine yourself basking in the feeling of happiness, of joy, living in this beautiful, enormous house by a lake. Something simple, easy, but just one aspect. Then we go to step number 3. Feel it. This is the most important part. Ask yourself, how would I feel if this was already my life? Peace, excitement, freedom. Let that emotion fill your body and fill with all your senses. Then go to step number 4. Stay there for a few minutes. Just enjoy, bask in the moment. Even 2-3 minutes is enough if you're fully present. And this is how you begin shifting your frequency. This is how imagination for manifestation becomes embodied, not just intellectual. In other words, you live here, the mind, and come here, to your heart. Now, if you want to go deeper with this, I created something to help you stay consistent. It's my free abundance activation kit. And again, it's free. Inside, you get an 11-minute guided abundance meditation audio, a 90-second emotion reset audio as well to shift your state instantly. This one also comes with a template. And you'll receive also a self-concept reflection template and another template, a 50 daily abundance affirmation template. So you have a plan of materials so you can work with and then starting right here, right now. Because the truth is, this isn't about doing it once. It's actually about training your mind to return to that state daily. And this kit helps you do exactly that. And I'll leave the link in the description below. Probably I'll also pin in the first comment so you can download it easily. And again, it's free. So remember, your imagination is not random. It's showing you possibilities that already exist for you. The question is, are you going to keep imagining for your current reality? Or are you ready to imagine for the version of you who already has what you want? If it is resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What are you choosing to create? And please, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload new videos. So, this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.